In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to delete Cash App account with negative balance. The process is similar to deleting a regular Cash App account, so open the Cash App and log into your account. Tap the house icon to access the Cash App homepage. Follow the instructions to complete the transfer if you have funds, but in this case you have negative funds, so from the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner. Tap on Support at the bottom of the option list, and then select something else to proceed. Tap Account Settings and then Close Account, and then close My Cash App account. And if they ask you for something, just state that you need to close your account just as normally you do. Confirm your account closure when prompted. On iPhone, tap and hold the app and select Remove App, and on Android, tap and hold the app and then select Uninstall. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.